Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY braided wig using crochet here and a closure. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer, and also turn on your notification bell. So this is the hair that I'm using, and I have 8 packs. I also have a crochet needles and a wig cap. So this cap that I'm using, it does have the strap at the edge to make it tighter or just to adjust the size of the wig. So as you can see, I'm just gonna start to poke holes in the cap and pull the hair through, just like how you would crochet the hair into your head. This is not the right cap, but trust me, it can work. So this is what the first one looks like, and at the back I'm gonna do it with a lot of space because I don't want it to be too full. I like the hair to look, natural, and if I put them too close at the back, it's gonna come off too full. So I'm repeating the same step. I just poke the hole in the cap and then pull the hair through and make a knot. So I am not going to do too much talking in this video, and I'm going to speed it up so it doesn't take that long. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the closure. It is 1B, and the braided here is a little on the lighter side. It's like a brown, like a number 4, so at the root. So what I'm gonna do is just bleach the knot of this closure, and then also I'm gonna bleach the hair, but I'm not gonna leave it in too long, just to give it that natural look and ensure that everything blends in. this is how the closure turned out. As you can see, it's a little lighter. So now I'm just gonna pin it down flat and sew it on to the wig cap. So now that the closure is attached to the wig cap, I'm going to go ahead and braid the closure section. So I'm going to go ahead and use the rubber band method. So I'm just going to part it in small sections, make like you're doing box braid. Then I'm going to use the rubber band so it could be a little flatter, and then I'm going to use the crochet needle to pull the hair under the rubber band and twist it. It just comes out flatter on this hair, and then it will hold better, because this hair is kind of, you know, it's not like the human hair that will hold the braid the best way. It's super silky and soft, and I don't want it to slip out. So this is the finished look. This is what the hair looks like. I really love it. It's not too full, it's just perfect, and you can see it's still sitting flat. I really love this hair. I love the color. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you're new, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.